Hi, myself M. Uma Devi. This is my final year MCA project. My project title is Cloud Based Healthcare Information for Storage and Retrieval Using Attribute Based Encryption. Abstract: PHR system is a favorable platform for personal health information exchange. We use the attribute based encryption technology to provide secure and reliable data protection. We propose a revocable cloud assisted attribute based encryption scheme which using the broadcast encryption technology and key segmentation technology. Scope of the project: a fine-grained and immediate attribute revocation is provided for key update. The proposed collaborative mechanism effectively solves not only key escrow problem but also key exposure. A comparison with other representative CPAB schemes demonstrates that our scheme has somewhat better performance in terms of cloud-based outsourced data sharing on mobile devices. Existing system: there are two types of ABE called Ciphertext Policy ABE and Key Policy ABE. For CPABE, the access policy is embedded into a ciphertext and the attribute set is embedded into a private key. For KPABE, the access policy is embedded into a private key and the attribute set is embedded into a ciphertext. Anyone who wants to obtain data must first match the access policy attribute set. Existing architecture diagram: sender sends the data to server, key authority gives public key to server and secret key to receiver, then receiver decrypt the data into plain text. Problem definition: malicious users may obtain unauthorized data and modify it before authorized users access it. When sharing PHF data with other users, we also ensure that PHR data is not leaked. Therefore, how to securely share or store PHR data in a PHR system is an important problem. Literacy survey. Title: Security Analysis and Enhancement of Certificateless Searchable Public Key Encryption Scheme for IIoT Environments. Algorithm used: certificateless searchable public key encryption. Remarks: they developed an enhancement based on the scheme and proved the security of a enhancement with a formal model. Partially policy hidden attribute based broadcast encryption with secure delegation in edge computing. Algorithm used: CPABE. They achieves partially hidden policy, direct revocation and verifiable outsourced decryption. In this scheme, the concept of partially hidden policy is introduced to protect private information in an access policy. Server aided attribute based signature with revocation for resource constrained industrial Internet of Things devices. Algorithm used: server aided ABS with revocation. Remarks: securely mitigates the workloads of users in generating and verifying signatures, but also enables user revocation by having the server immediately stop signature generations for revoked signers. Efficient attribute based signature and encryption realizing expressive access structures. Algorithm used: attribute based encryption scheme. ABSE achieves public verifiability of the ciphertext, enabling any party to verify the integrity and validity of the ciphertext. Proposed system: we propose a novel collaborative key management protocol in ciphertext policy attribute based encryption, aiming to enhance security and efficiency of key management in cloud data sharing system. Our proposed protocol effectively addresses both two problems by its collaborative key management. Architecture diagram: data user needs encryption key and signing key to upload the keys. The keys are get from TAA and TTS. To get the single user signing key, user have to generate two signing keys from both TAA and TTS. It will be sent to the user's mail ID. Data owner can accept the data from storage server. To view the data, it will desencrypt the data into plain text. Advantages: it can help to enhance security and efficiency of key management. The collaborative mechanism helps to reduce client decryption overhead. A fine-grained and immediate attribute revocation is provided. Modules implementation: client, key authority, cloud server, decryption server, data owner. Client: a client is a user who intends to access data in cloud storage via front-end devices. Key authority. The key authority is an important component in the system. Cloud server. A cloud server is responsible for cloud storage management. Decryption server. The decryption server has powerful computing capabilities. Data owners. A data owner is an authorized user in the system who possesses data to be uploaded. Algorithm used. Trust setup algorithm, key generation algorithm, encryption algorithm. Trust setup algorithm is used for grouping the element and output public parameter. Key generation algorithm. We use this algorithm for key authority of public parameter. Encryption algorithm. We use this algorithm for data owner public parameter. Hardware requirements and software requirements. Front-end HTML, Java, JSP, script, JavaScript, database connectivity, MySQL. Data flow diagram, level 0. Data owner and data user use the username and password to log in and register for account activation. Level 1. TTS provide signed key and TAA provides two keys. In level 2, data user get encryption key to upload file and data owner get decryption key to download the file. In use case diagram, data owner can view signed key, verify signed key, search the file and desencrypt the file. Data user can view signed key, verify signed key, encrypt the file and upload the file. This is class diagram. In collaboration diagram, data user can upload file to server. Data owner can view file, get decryption key and decrypt file from the server. Component diagram. TAA provides encrypt key and decryption key for data user and data owner to upload and download the file. Sequence diagram. Data owner and user register and log in to the server. TAA and TTS provides partial signing key for data owner. TAA provides encryption key for data user. User login page. First click here to register. User registration form. Fill the details and then click register button. Type username and password to log in. Upload files. Click request signing key and request encryption key to get the keys for upload the files and then log out. Trusted attribute authority login. In the home page, click trusted attribute authority and then type username and password to log in. User signing key request in TAA. User encryption key request in TAA. Click user signing key request to generate the signing key and click user encryption key request to generate the encryption key and then log out. Trusted third server login. In the home page, click trusted third server and then type username and password to log in. User signing key request in TTS. Click generate key button to generate the signing key. To get the single user signing key, user have to generate two signing keys from both trusted attribute authority and trusted third server. File upload. The user encryption key and signing key will be sent to the user's mail ID and then upload the file by using these two keys. Data owner login. Data owner will be logged in by using username and password. View data user file. The data owner can view the file by clicking on view button. Owner signing key request. Owner decryption key request. Click owner signing key request to generate the signing key and click owner decryption key request to generate the decryption key and then log out. An owner signing key and decryption key will be sent to the owner's mail ID and enter the received keys and then click submit button to view the decrypted file. Cloud login. Enter the username and password to login. All the details can be stored and viewed on this cloud storage. Conclusion. In order to solve the problem of user revocation in the attribute-based encryption scheme, we study the attribute-based encryption scheme proposed by Rao scheme and present an efficient and secure RCS ABAC scheme that supports a user revocation mechanism. At the same time, our scheme has almost the same efficiency to Rao scheme. Note that it is the first revocable attribute-based encryption scheme in the literature. Future enhancement. In future, we prove the security of our system in the random oracle model. Finally, the experimental evaluation result demonstrates that the proposed scheme is secure and feasible. Thank you.